Hello friends, it's time to color the word family app. App. Circle the app sound and color it. Let's try to do the same with the next word. App. Can you find the app sound? Yes, you are right. It's in the ending after g. Circle the app sound and color it. And say the word once again. App. Gap. App. Gap. App. Lap. App. Lap. App. Map. App. Map. App. Nap. App. Nap. App. Wrap. App. Wrap. App. Sap. App. Sap. App. Dap. App. Dap. App. Yap. App. Yap. App. Zap. App. Zap. App. Clap. App. Clap. App. Flap. App. Flap. App. Slap. App. Slap. App. Snap. App. Snap. App. Trap. App. Trap. App. Wrap. App. Wrap. App. Chap. App. Chap. Woohoo! You did a good job. It's time to take some stars. Let's see what's my reading score. Let's take a crayon and color the stars for your reading score. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. You got 4 stars. I am really proud of you. You are a little star. Bye-bye for now. See you again next time with a new word family. Don't forget to learn the app word family once again. Bye-bye.